Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Agile Scrum. Learn to use Scrum in projects for beginners. Yes, this course is absolutely for beginners. You don't need to have any prior experience of Agile Scrum to start with this course. This course is also the perfect fit for those who is using Scrum and want to improve their understanding of Scrum. So, the course can serve as a knowledge base for those who are already working with Scrum or for those who have only heard about it and want to fully understand its principle and want to apply that in their day-to-day work. The course covers the basics of Scrum and Agile, including all core Scrum framework elements such as Scrum events, Scrum roles, and Scrum artifacts. In addition to that, there are special sections to cover the Scrum metrics and user stories. This course is divided into multiple modules. Each module consists of multiple sections, ending with a quiz that helps to solidify the knowledge. In addition to that, there are lots of handouts to download to make sure that you get the best learning experience. Apart from that, I will always be with you while you learn with this course. You can ask me questions at any time through the question and answer section or message box. I promise to send you an answer within 2 working days. Purposefully, I kept the course short and simple and to the point to make sure it is quick to learn about the Agile Scrum concept. I am Siddhartha Paul, a certified Scrum Master with over 17 years of extensive experience in information technology, working in different Fortune 500 companies. Join the course and experience the best way of learning Agile Scrum. Once enrolled, the course is with you for a lifetime. You can start and go on with your pace and convenience. The course also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can always take a refund within 30 days if the course doesn't fulfill your expectations. So nothing to lose. Enroll now. See you in the course.